Well, the only things that matter as far as Amazon's concerned is, are people searching for your product on Amazon? As far as commercial viability goes, that's the only things that matter. So the easiest way to go check that out in America, of course, is to use merchant words. And you can go into merchant words and go and make sure that everything's all doing it for you. Let's just do a quick search. So fat burn tea. So just come into merchant words, fat burn tea, or go and look at what you believe to be your main keyword, fat burning tea. Well, 10,000 people per month search for fat burning tea on Amazon.com. Let's see how many people you'd be competing against. Fat burning tea. You'd be competing against 2,000 people or 2,000 potential products for those 10,000 people searching. So I'm going to say, Lewis, that those numbers do not make sense. 10,000 people searching, 2,000 competitors, your first product. How would you go about making that into something very, very unique for yourself? But for me, 10,000 people searching, it's just not enough people searching. I wouldn't go into that. There wouldn't be enough people in it for me. You could be different, but for me, that wouldn't make sense. And keep in mind that Amazon.com is going to be way more traffic or searches than Amazon.com.au. Be way more people searching on .com than there will be on .com.au. So it'd be significantly less people in Australia searching, one would imagine, than it would be in America. So that's one place to start. The other thing I would definitely look at as well is I would go to eBay. Let's go and have a look on eBay. ebay.com.au. So if I want to look, we'll see what's happening in America. Select running tea. The lovely Sue Josephson is a whiz at this, and you can see how much things are selling for and where it's coming from and who you're going to be competing against. So I'd use this as part and parcel of my commercial viability research as well. And you can see the top one here, Supreme Green Tea Fat Burning. Let's see how many they're selling per day. 8 available, 1 sold. So that's just a new listing by the look of it. Let's see if we can find somewhere else. Fat burning tea, brand new, 4 available. So I'd go in and look at that too. And then the final thing I would do is I'd look on Google AdWords and use the keyword planner, which I just went through, to see how many people in Australia, Lewis, search for fat burning tea in Australia, and that will give you a good indication too. It is extremely important that the products you're selling are keyword driven products. So fat burning tea, is that something that people go search for online? If it is, great. How many people are searching for it? And then you can kind of extrapolate out how many people potentially is your marketplace that you're going to be able to sell to. And then from there you say, well, how much of that marketplace could I realistically get? And from there you can work out your potential sales. So the thing, Lewis, to do is not fall in love with your product, but to fall in love with the customers who are buying it, and how many of them are there. How many customers can you fall in? It's like a polyamorous relationship with your customer base. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.